Welcome, everybody. I am Jessica Westrap with Manufacturing Works. We are excited to have some guests with us today from Hosemaster, the manufacturing company located in Euclid, Ohio. They are going to share some information on their company today, as well as careers within Hosemaster. So I'd like to go ahead and introduce our guests today. We have Chelsea Hammond. She's the Human Resources Recruiter, and Suzanne Bloomfield. She's the Director of Human Resources. So I'm going to turn it over to you, Chelsea and Suzanne, and let you get started.
Okay, so we wanted to talk to you guys today a little bit about Hosemaster and what we do and the opportunities here. So first and foremost, what do we do? We are the largest U.S. industrial manufacturer of metal hoses and expansion joints. We are the leading authority for flexible metal hose, expansion joints, and their applications. And we're the only manufacturer in North America that employs advanced forming techniques, which result in a superior corrugated hose. So these are the three main products that we make. We make a corrugated metal hose, which is good for gas and liquid transfer. We also make a strip wound metal hose. This is for more rugged applications such as solids. And then we also make expansion joints, which is part of the total system, which kind of relieves some of that pressure as these different things are flowing through the hose. So the history of our company, we started in 1982 by Sam Fody. He's the chairman. He's there on the left. And it's currently run by Sam Fody, Sam Fody Jr., he's there on the right-hand side, and also Jeff Tennant, our president. So when we show you the video that we're going to show you in a moment here, you'll also meet Jeff Tennant. We are a family-owned and privately owned business, and we've grown from just 4 people to over 400 employees. And we now lead the industry of metal hoses and expansion joints. These are our locations. You can see here, actually, this here in the middle is the smaller building that we started out as, but as Hosemaster continued to grow, we kept buying out our neighbors. So that's why you'll see we're such a long building. We've also opened 3 other locations. So we're in Houston, Atlanta, and Reno. So now we're gonna show you our corporate video.
Who is Hosemaster? We are North America's largest manufacturer of flexible metal hose and expansion joints, and we are so much more.
We are engineers.
We are innovators.
We are manufacturers.
We are application experts.
We are customer focused.
Over 90 of the industry's best welders.
Quality assurance experts.
We are American made.
We are partners with our customers, suppliers, and our employees.
We are a family. My father started Hosemaster as a tool and die maker in 1982 with a knack for building machines. There were only 4 employees at a small factory in Cleveland, Ohio, and 3 core beliefs: to always offer intelligent, customer-driven design, the highest quality manufacturing, and outstanding customer service. Hosemaster has nearly 500 employees and almost 500,000 square feet of manufacturing, engineering, and sales space in Cleveland, Houston, Atlanta, and Reno.
We are unique in our ability to implement a solution from initial design to completion.
And that's because we design and build our own state-of-the-art equipment in our machine shop.
That makes the difference between ordinary products and superior value-engineered products.
Our team of engineers are here to help customers design hoses and expansion joints for even the most demanding applications.
And all of our employees are here to ensure our customers get the right product exactly when they need it, day or night.
We also ensure our customers and distributors have the training they need to truly understand hoses, expansion joints, and their applications. Hosemaster University offers intensive on-site and off-site courses.
It even includes welder and employee training.
When it comes to our employees, we believe in growth from within, giving all employees a pathway to advance their careers.
I started in 1988 as a machinist and worked my way up to national sales manager. There's tremendous potential here if you're willing to put in the hard work to get ahead.
I was a temporary employee last summer. I proved that I was a hard worker. Now I'm full-time and looking forward to what the future here holds.
Hosemaster is a special place.
We're all committed to helping each other and helping our customers succeed.
We are one big family. We are Hosemaster.
So kind of going over some of the things that the video was showing, really how we've grown so much has been by really making our passion all about providing customer-driven designs, good manufacturing excellence, and also superior service to our customers. And we have inventory available across the country, so we can get our products out to our customers very, very fast as well. We are also all about innovation, research, and design. So 10% of the workforce is dedicated to R&D. We are the only metal hose company in America with an in-house lab that can do all of our own analyzing of our products before they go out. That's a pretty unique thing. These advantages also afford Hosemaster to be able to continuously make our product better and better. We also have in-house machine design. So if you were to ever come to Hosemaster, you would see that a number of our machines are painted blue, and they also have our logo on them. And that's because those are all machines that we've designed and built from the ground up here at Hosemaster. So all of this adds up to manufacturing excellence. And we also have training support both for our customers and our distributors who sell our product, as well as internally here at Hosemaster. You know, we do a ton of cross-training. We put on several different types of trainings to continue development in terms of career development for folks here at Hosemaster. And these are the industries that we're in. As you can see, we're a really diversified company. We don't rely on just one industry for our success or one customer, for example. And that keeps us a very strong and stable company and continues our growth in the future. So careers we have available here at Hosemaster, we have everything from entry level, things like general labor, we call those preppers and finishers here, to inspectors, to machinists, to welders. We have shipping and receiving here, as well as leadership opportunities on the plant floor. We have sales, we have marketing, we have finance, engineering, production planning. So several different types of career paths that you could take at Hosemaster and in manufacturing in general. So we're going to also go over some employee testimonials of employees telling us a little bit about their experiences they've had here at Hosemaster. And the first one we wanted to showcase is our Tool and Die Apprenticeship Program. This is a 4-year apprenticeship where you would work towards becoming a certified tool and die maker, basically from the ground up, you know, ultimately becoming a tool room machinist here at Hosemaster. And that blends on training on site on the job with our tool room machinists, and also paired with schooling at Tri-C. So be doing those together into ultimately becoming a tool room machinist. And you would learn, you know, CNC machinery, tons of different industrial machines, as well as how to create custom parts from blueprints.
Manufacturing to me would be, I guess, just creation of something, whether it be a part, just an item in general, I guess. Very vast field though, because it could be anything from making nails to manufacturing high precision machine parts for aircraft engines, and there's even spacecraft that you can be working with. So I think the benefits of working with manufacturing is because of that wide field. You have such a scape that you can enter into, depending on what you like to do, what kind of interest you have, and what materials you want to work with. The more experience I gain, the more I've just become more proficient at what I do. So in the machining realm, I guess it would be just the operation of machines and the process of making what I make. The parts I make are for machines that we use to produce the product that we make here at HoseMaster. So I could be making parts that go into machines that are replacement parts. I could be making parts that are for new machines that we're making to create new product. So every day is a little bit different. Any day, like me making something that we've made before. Another day I can be making something that's completely different, that's completely research and development. A lot of problem solving. When I'm given a blueprint, it doesn't tell me, hey, do this first and do this second. It's a lot of, okay, where do I start? What material, what machine, what end do I start from? Where's my datum surface? What side of the part do I begin with on the blueprint? And then what tools do I need? So it's a lot of problem solving.
So the next area that we wanted to showcase is welding. So HoseMaster has an on-site weld training facility with an entire team that is actually dedicated to training welders from the ground up. Our welders earn the ASMEIX certification, which is recognized worldwide to qualify welders to deliver high quality, consistency, and uniformity. And here at HoseMaster, we're doing thin gauge stainless steel TIG welding on our metal hoses and expansion joints.
Manufacturing to me is like pretty much like a road, because it's like when you think you learned everything, there's always something new. A lot of new things. This job really just taught me how to be patient with the orders I get, new welds I gotta do, and you just gotta adapt with how you go.
The last one we wanted to show you is a supervisor here at HoseMaster who has really grown with us from the ground up. So HoseMaster has room for growth. 90% of our area leaders and production supervisors actually started out here as operators. And we do this through cross-training and long-term career development. So I'm going to show you guys a video of Dinesh, and he's a supervisor here.
So manufacturing to me is basically anytime you're making something. So as long as we're making it from scratch, which we do a lot of here, is making stuff from scratch, is manufacturing. And we start from ground zero, making the machines, making the products, making the tooling for making the products. So I use them all. Problem solving is the biggest one that you use, because you have to be quick on your feet. You have to solve issues that comes up sporadically. It just comes up and you have to be able to solve problems. So that's my biggest thing that I use every day, problem solving. A typical day looks like for me, I would say coming in, basically getting all of the work set up for the guys to run, and basically being their right-hand man as far as troubleshooting. So on a day-to-day basis, I'm troubleshooting, I'm making sure that the machines are running right, making sure the products are being made correctly, and that's my day-to-day base.
The benefits of working at HoseMaster is that we are a stable and growing company. We have cross-training and internal promotion here. We are a family-owned and privately owned company, and because of that, we put a lot of emphasis on our folks here. We try to make the environment fun. These are our folks in Houston actually enjoying some ice cream this past summer. We also have a very competitive starting pay. It's $15 an hour. We pay our employees every Friday, and all of our positions are direct hire. So they include a number of benefits, health, dental, and vision, 401k, bonuses to our employees each year, which is part of our profit sharing. Increases every year based on performance, and paid vacation and paid holidays. So it's really a total package that you'd be looking at. So tips to be successful in manufacturing: always have a good attitude. That's extremely important here at HoseMaster, as well as good attendance. That is something that is very, very important. Be eager to learn and develop, and have good motivation to work hard and produce a quality product. And attention to detail, as part of being able to produce a quality product, you have to have good attention to detail as well. So this is where you can learn more about us, hosemaster.com. This is a picture of our team here in Cleveland.
Before I started working at Hosemaster, I didn't have any experience in manufacturing. In order to gain experience, I did a 2-semester program at Tri-C. I got a short-term certificate in precision machining, and that allowed me to get hands-on machine and experience with machines before I was able to come work here.
At Max Hayes, I studied welding for 2.5 years, and then just kept it going here.
So I started off in manufacturing, just like working with my hands, and so I pursued the career of being a mechanical engineer. And my cousin worked for Hosemaster at the time, and he said, "We do a lot of great stuff here." And I asked him, "Can you get me in there?" He says, "Sure, I'll get an application for you." And that was the beginning steps of getting in here. No 2 days are the same. Every day is different in here. You may start off the day working on one project, and you may end the day working on another project. And it's great to work with Sam and Sammy. I swear it's just one of those things where working with that much knowledge, it helps you grow, and it's just exciting to see someone that's the owner of a company still wants to be on ground zero.
From my experience, what I did was I had a clear set goal of where I wanted to end up in the company. When I started here, I started in an entry-level production machining job, and I knew I wanted to end up in the tool and die room and become a precision machinist. So my goal was to gain as much experience as I could in the production machining, and then I would go and bug the supervisor and tell him, "Hey, I want to move in here, I want to further my skills." And from there we discussed it, figured out what kind of plan I needed to do, what more information do I need to get, and what more application can I use from the information I got from school, apply it to what I'm doing at work. And then from there we discussed that it was best that I can move into the room and further develop my skills.
Just work hard, show that you want to work, show that you want to improve and move up and keep learning new things.
So when I first started, I started off on nights working as a corrugated operator. And as I progressed in the company, it took, I think, 6 months or so before John Baker moved me over to the strip-on department as a machine operator there. And from there, I went under Mike Bradley's, under his wing, and he pulled me up, nurtured me to the person I am today as an engineer. Just be yourself. Make sure that you are putting forth your full effort at what you're doing. If you're a hard worker, the company will see it. Someone will see you being a hard worker. Just don't change your demeanor, don't change your attitude. Make sure you come with that positive attitude in here, and you're able to grow with that positive attitude.
I truly believe that the people who run Hosemaster care about their employees, so that's probably the biggest thing that I stay here for. I mean, they're taking care of me, they're sending me to school to further my career, so that's a huge bonus for me. A lot of the people I work with are very helpful. Everyone's willing to step in and say, "Hey, let me show you this," or "Let me show you that." So working with a lot of people that actually care about each other is really cool.
For welding, they always bring something new. Every time you think you know something, they give you something more to learn.
Loyalty. The company's always been loyal to me, so I'm loyal to the company.